As a cyclist, your bicycle become part of your personal belongings. So to keep your bicycle safe, you have to buy a proper lock. You get the one with the combination. You can change the combination when what suits you, or you can buy the one with the key. Okay, I prefer the one with the key, which is a bit stronger, because the one with the combination can be easily ripped apart or can be easily cut. The cable is a bit thicker, so I would go the cable lock way with the key, then the combination lock. Okay. To also the best way to lock your bike safely is to a pole or a fix rail. Okay. So the best way is also not. The wrong way is to lock the bike is only your back wheel. Because sometimes the people can remove the front wheel. It's much easier for someone to steal a front wheel with a quick release. You just undo that and then you can take the wheel out. So for you, when you go shopping and come back from shopping to have a bike safely locked, I advise you to lock both wheels. Lock it securely around the pole. Okay? Expecting your bike to be there when you lift it off the shopping. Okay? So you can't pull the bike up the pole, so they can't move away. This pole is fixed. Okay? So that is the safest way to lock your bike. And always remember where you put your key.